Are you ready to take the next step in growing your business? It's time to own your first Wright Stander. The Wright Stander B has all the high-value commercial features that you expect from Wright Manufacturing at an accessible price point. It's compact, maneuverable, easy to use, and low maintenance. This model has a 52-inch floating deck with full operator suspension platform and a smooth, comfortable ride. You've got quick access to everything to make servicing the unit as easy as possible. It's easy to own and easy to maintain. This means less time at the shop, more time mowing, and making money. It even has a built-in storage container. Interested in learning more about Wright? We offer the whole line of Wright Standards at Russo with deck sizes from 36 inches to 72 inches. Stop in to Russo Power Equipment today to see the whole lineup of Wright Standard mowers.